This is BirdNote. There's a bird in Cuba with plumage in blue, red and white, the same colors as the nation's flag. This bird is the Tocororo, the Cuban Trogon, chosen as the national bird of Cuba. When the Tocororo is kept in a cage, they often die. This fact has become a metaphor of freedom embraced by Cubans. The Tocororo is a bird that would rather die than live without freedom. The Cuban Trogon is a medium-sized bird often found in pairs. Its song sounds like its Spanish name, Tocororo. It lives in the woodlands of Cuba and likes to sit still, except when feeding on flowers and fruits. While El Tocororo is currently abundant, its population is declining due to loss of habitat. So hopefully, after hearing this story, you might be inspired to work with the Cuban people to make sure we can keep seeing these birds in the wild and painting this bird in our memories. Just remember, never in a cage. This show is also available in Español. Visit our website birdnote.org to learn more. I'm Camilo Garzón.